I was really looking for something I could use for larger spaces and yet still be maneuverable, because of course I'm going through around trees. There's a lot of trees around here. There are some species, I am trying to encourage some species to grow, and we're milkweed friendly here. Came across Orec online and was really interested. So last year reached out to them, said if you guys are ever in the area, I'd really be interested in a demo. So I got to use, for the first time last year, I got to use the 4-wheel drive Orec Brush Rover on this property. And it just immediately did a number on the weeds. It went through box elder trees that are really growing up, good size diameter, just blew through that. And so easy to use. And I'll be first to say I don't really care for riding lawnmowers. I really don't like zero-turn mowers at all. They're not my cup of tea. But this was great. I mean, this is exactly what I'm looking for. It's super maneuverable. You're not cutting things down you don't want to cut down. And yet, for an area such as this, it was great. Immediately knew I wanted this machine, and it just has made the world a difference in how I can manage my pasture.